Hello everybody, how are you? I'm not doing so great. It is currently 3 a.m. Wednesday morning. My dog cries, I let him out to pee, and he decides to chase a skunk. And now, my little white dog is all pinky orange. He is very much covered in tomatoes. I don't have tomato juice, so he's covered in pureed tomatoes as well as tomato sauce. Sorry, the fan is on in here. It's very loud, but it also is very stinky. So, hi, Fox. You poor baby. I know you are suffering more than any of us. I know, he's so sad, I know, but you kind of did this to yourself, to be honest. Alright, I'm gonna rinse him off and repeat the process. I'll see if I have any updates for you. So I rinsed off his tomato juice and I have applied his shampoo and I'm letting it soak right now. He's looking a lot less pink, but he's still crying a lot. He does not understand that he did this to himself. It's heartbreaking, but also infuriating, because I should be asleep. Alright, I'm about to rinse them off in a minute. The lighting in here isn't great, it's pretty dim, and I know I look like a hot mess right now. So tomorrow, or later today, I mean, I will, I'll give you an update on how he is turning out. Sad, wet baby. Alright, so it is now later the same day, and the tomato sauce didn't work that well. I think it did help. He does not smell as intensely as he did last night, but it's still something that we really need to fix as soon as possible. So we picked this up, Nature's Miracle Skunk Odor Remover, and we're gonna be trying this out on my little stinky dog. It's mostly his face that got affected by the spray. His back and legs smell fine, they smell normal, but his face and neck area are hit pretty hard. So I'm gonna have to be very careful, because you can't get it in his nose, mouth, or eyes, and he has a very small face, so it's a very limited amount of fur and skin that we're able to work with. So let's just get to going. Shake well before using. So now we have to apply it to a cloth. No, I'm sorry, you have to stay here, bud. And then gently wipe it on the affected area. He's so stressed out. I know, I'm so sorry. But we have to wipe it on the affected area, avoiding the eyes, nose, and mouth as much as possible. But it's hard because those are the parts of him that got shot by the skunk. So just have to be very, very gentle. And you're gonna have to be very still, my love. I know. Gotta get you there. The other side of your nose. Oh, I know. Not fun at all. I know. Good boy. He just has such a tiny face that it's hard to get any areas. that are not his eyes, nose, and mouth. Okay, and your neck. Look up, look up, up, up. Good boy. Good boy. All right. It's not time for kisses. Now has to sit on his coat for 5 minutes, and then we will wash it off with his dog shampoo. You gotta sit down, baby. Yeah. It's all right. Hold your head high. I know you're so embarrassed that this happened. But you got to meet a celebrity. You got to meet Pepe Le Pew himself. He's not amused. He does not care.
Here he is, fresh from his bath.
Okay, and now the last test is the smell test. Okay, yeah. Okay. Come here. So it's still present, but it's not as bad. It's certainly livable. And hopefully it will fade throughout the day. If it does, then awesome. If not, then I'll try doing it one more time. But I think it was pretty successful. So we'll just have to see. I'm also going to have to do a load of laundry with the towels that we used on him, because those all smell like skunk now. So I'm going to use the same, you can use the same solution on clothes as well as on your pet. So I'm going to try that out too. Hopefully it works.
Fox, now you're a celebrity on the internet.